qualm, my weakest link of my soul, heart, and body, is probably that I am easily threatened. And if a gang was to come forth to me and threaten me, I would start a law firm, kind of a facade of a law. I love that. Did you hear any of that, sir?
Yes, I do. How do you like your joints?
Taken from your body?
Boy, eaten and chewed up.
Also taken from your body.
All right, I'll do whatever you want. I'll start a law firm that's purposely bad and continue the legacy.
Yeah, you better.
Just leave me alone, please.
We will.
So wow, that's really how it happened.
Yeah. So it's just that. Anyway, just to get back to it, that thing you said about the joints just reminded me of that story my grandfather told. But it's just a tale. It's you know.
It has nothing to do with our sons being switched and that your son's doing bad.
Sounds good. Well, anyway. Well.
Arnold?
Yeah.
It's time for your 9 p.m. sponge bath, your 9:15 rash cream appointment treatment, and your 9:30 toenail clipping inspection.
Yes, Mother. Oh man, it's so dark out right now. It's the best time to go on a walk, they say. You know, that was just so weird at dinner. I don't even know what that was about. Like, somehow I'm in the wrong law firm, but then I got moved, and now we always do that annual dinner with us, Humphreys, and Anderson women. I never got what that was about.
Stop knocking on trees!
No. Wait, are you the 80% gang, right?
99.9!
Has that really changed?
No interactions are gonna end on
Okay. Well, let's try to make this the 0.1%. Just this right now, if we can make that happen.
Why should we let you live?
Well, let's just say I know a little secret of yours.
Hey, what are you
Wait a second.
Yeah, what are you talking
What
about?
are you talking
We only have one secret and nobody knows it.
No, I think I figured it out.
What's your name, kid?
Jeffrey Humphreys.
Oh,
Shit!
Maybe you're the 1%. 1 point more, yeah.
0.1%. Get your math together, kid.
And I was just at a dinner where I learned that ever since Arnie Anderson and I switched law firms, what are you doing?
Not now, Tonka!
Only the swords.
Okay. Ever since we switched places, crime has been increasing like no other in this city.
Yeah, it must be an unruly coincidence.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Until I realized that the day my great grandfather Humphrey the First started his law firm in Reynolds City, the crime's been going on all the time. It's like they're linked.
Hey, listen, we got ourselves a whiz kid here. He's bringing it on.
Some sort of a wizard king. You got spells?
Wingardium Levy, get out of here, buddy.
What is some sort of tough guy, a smart guy who knows everything about swords? Tonka, no one said anything about swords! You can just kill him with the swords!
I don't know what the sword thing is about, but I think I know a little bit about what what's going on in Reynolds City.
Oh, dude, why don't you tell us, like, as if we